Is that a good? How was that sandwich, honey? Good? Does your baby like to go to parties, Dora?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Is this her first time at a party?
That was just what I was going to ask. Is this her first time at a party? Has she been at any parties before? Which party did she go to?
Well.
Did she go to the party at Harvey's house, the Seder party? No? I thought this baby was at that party.
What time is it, Grandma?
What time is it?
Yeah.